If you want to learn the basics of Confluence, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you all that you need to know. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, so let's get into it. Straight from our dashboard, you can see over here on the top left, we have Confluence, right? So if you are using other apps within the Atlassian network, then you can just access them here by using this icon. So you can grab everything right over here. So we're in Confluence, and on the left you have your toolbar where you can manage all of your files, folders, projects, spaces, as well as your apps. And then you have a company hub, right, which you can set up if you have a premium account. What you can do as well is if you go and click on more, there's a bunch of additional options. So you can actually manage your teams. You can manage all of your drafts as well as your templates, which I'm actually going to get into in a little while. You can also actually customize this sidebar so it works for you. We can go over here, and if we're going in and looking for those apps, these are just integrations or connections that you can use to increase your workflow, make your life a whole lot easier. And also, if you are already using software, you'd like to just integrate it with Confluence, this is the place that it'll happen. All you'd have to simply do is type in the name of whatever you're looking to integrate and select it from the results, if of course it's available. Going in and actually getting started with Confluence and creating something, we're going to go ahead and you can go and click on create over here, or you can use one of these shortcuts. I'm going to go and create a page. Now, once you have started creating a page, you'll actually see a bunch of options. You can actually edit absolutely everything inside here. And if you just use the \, you can actually use that for all of your commands. Okay, so these are shortcuts. If you'd like to add in different elements here, this is the list of all of those elements. One of the other things is if you don't want to start from scratch, you can actually use a template. Now, if you come to the right-hand side over here, you'll see 3 dots. It'll give you more actions. And you're going to come down and you're going to look for templates and import doc. So once you've actually gone in here, you will be able to see templates on the right-hand side. So you've got templates by Confluence and then templates that you've imported. If you're looking for templates by Confluence, you can see them right over here. And if you hover your cursor over that, you'll actually see a preview of it. All you need to do is click on it, right? And within the next few seconds, it will load into your space. Let's just close that by using that X. And here it is. Now you can go ahead and you can actually customize this template for your own personal needs. There are, as I mentioned before, tons of things that you can do in here, including publishing, and then you can also share, and there are a few different ways that you can share, as well as changing the access as to who can view and who can edit. That is Confluence in a nutshell. I hope this video was super helpful.